Hi viewers, in this video you will going to see how to download and install node.js, which is a JavaScript compiler software to run in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get right into the video. First of all, go into Google and search for download node.js and press enter. Now, click on this first link from nodejs.org. Here, click on this Windows installer button. Now the setup downloading process will be started. Wait a while for download to complete. Now to run the setup, click on this setup. Here, click on the next button. Now check this, I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then click on the next button. Again click on the next button. And then click on install. Now, the installation process is started, so it will ask for a prompt, then click on yes. Here, the installation is finished, so click on the Finish button. And let us check whether Node.js is installed or not by typing Node in PowerShell. So if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.